Hi, it's Jackie here. Thanks for watching this video. And in this video, I want to answer the following question. How can I make money from home without experience? If you don't have any experience, then it doesn't matter what you do online, there is a learning curve, right? And within each niche, you have people that are very successful, earning 10k per month and upwards, and then the majority that's earning less and nothing. And that goes in all niches. Now, there's two things that I would focus on: affiliate marketing and network marketing. But I won't focus specifically on a product as such or an opportunity, but rather I would focus on a system that then indirectly promote these opportunities. And there's a reason why. When you use a system, then you have a couple of things happening. You have a way to build your email list, which is the most important thing as an affiliate or online marketer, even a network marketer. And the second thing is there's duplication when you use a system, and you then can earn without directly promote certain affiliate products or opportunities or a network marketing opportunity. You can then earn passive income and multiple passive incomes at the back end. So what you can do is you can focus on one thing, the system, where you get all the training and the help, and most of systems are done for you, and you get systems that is free to use as well. So it helps you step by step, it makes it easier for you, and you can use a system that is duplicatable for people that you share it with. Now, I'm involved with such a system, and I'm going to share that with you. This system is called MLM Lead Pro. Now, MLM Lead Pro is a free marketing system that I use myself, and it helps you with two ways. Like I said, building your email list, and secondly, help you to earn passive income at the back end. Now, MLM Lead Pro doesn't have any upsells, nothing. It stays it's a free system which you can use, and there's a lot of goodies that you get to get you started as an online marketer or affiliate marketer or network marketer. The first thing that is your lead capture pages. It's free, it's done for you. Let's take a look at it. You can use it. You simply open the library and you choose your opt-in pages. You can edit the opt-in pages. Here's some of the opt-in pages that I have. You can edit it by simply clicking on edit. You can delete it. You can add a tracking link. If you want to create a link just to add it on Facebook and you want to track how it performs, you can create a tracking link for that. Or if you want to use paid advertising, you can do that as well. So it's a perfect place for beginners to start. It's done for you. Lead capture pages, you can use it as is, you can edit it, etc., etc. We use a platform, LeadSleep, where where all our leads that are generated from these opt-in pages, we store that on LeadSleep. It's a separate platform, but you can use it for free as well. There is a pro version. I think it costs you $27 per month, but you can start off absolutely free. And all the training, how to connect your LeadSleep, is all included with the training. Let me quickly show you here in the training. Here's getting started. Watch the LeadSleep setup guide for MLM Lead Pro. Customizing, okay, and then all the other different videos that can help you. Also, you get a lot of other things as well. You can add your own programs. We're going to go into that now. You can see all your leads and that joined. And we have strategies that you can use, that members use to get results. And you can use these as marketing strategies as well. You can take a look at them. You don't have to join any of them, but if you're interested to at least choose one and get started, that is there as well. So as a beginner, this is a perfect way to start. If you don't know what to do, don't know where to go for marketing, etc., you can use that as well. Then the second thing is, at the back end, you can earn passive income with the opportunities that's available in MLM Lead Pro. Now let me just quickly show you here. Step 1, step 4 and step 5 is some of the core opportunities. You cannot change them. You don't have to join them, but they have been tried and tested and been properly researched by the owner, Edward Keith, and they are good quality opportunities, and the products are great as well within it to use to help you even succeed even more. Now step 2 and 3 are the opportunities that you can change step 2 and 3 and add your own opportunities. Obviously, if you're a beginner, you don't have to change step 2 and 3 at this time. You can take a look at what your sponsor has to offer. You can join it. You don't have to join it. It's available to you. Now, as a beginner, the cool thing what MLM Lead Pro did is have a setup wizard step by step to help you succeed. So when you log into MLM Lead Pro, this is probably the first thing you're gonna see, or if you don't see it and you're in your dashboard, you can just click here, launch wizard. So yeah, step by step shows you exactly the core. You can watch the video to help you, and you can join these programs if you want to. You don't have to. Again, if one of your leads join any of the programs that you did not join, it will end up with your sponsor. So yeah, you can take a look at your sponsors opportunity. Then the lead slip setup exactly step by step with video, traffic and activation. There's some traffic sources that's been shared that you can take a look at. You can use it, don't use it, it's all up to you. It's not going to be a problem if you don't use it. Okay, and then finish and you promote. You get your link, you use your link that you created with your opt-in pages, and you're good to go. You can add up to 5 programs of your own, and then those programs that you added, if you have an opportunities, obviously if you're a beginner you don't have any, but if you're an online marketer for a while and you have other opportunities, you can add it here, add your programs, and then you can replace step 2 and 3 with your programs, which is super cool. So using a system helps you, it helps you step by step. You learn while you earn. And the second thing, a free system like MLM Lead Pro does, is you earn commissions at the back end. So you earn from affiliate marketing, network marketing, but you don't have to promote the opportunities directly. All you focus on is promoting your opt-in page. Also with MLM Lead Pro, you get follow-up emails which you can use and send to your leads as well. So it's a very cool system to use. I highly recommend it for beginners, especially if you don't know where to start, if you have no experience. It's simply a great system to use. Right, and then you have your traffic exchange, which is ways to generate, to click on it and earn credits. You can then use that credits to use for advertising here on MLM Lead Pro. You can also go to the credit shop and buy credits. Let me quickly show you. It's very cheap. It's $5 for 500 credits. You can then use those credits here to purchase login ads, purchase banner ads, purchase homepage rotator ads, and I highly recommend you use this. So you can either earn it and then use it, or if you have a bit of extra money, you can buy some credits. It's all up to you. So you have different options. You have free options, paid options, etc., etc. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. MLM Lead Pro is I highly recommend it. I use it myself with great results, and I think it's perfect for somebody with no experience to start an online opportunity and have something that is easy to use, that they can learn from step by step, and that is duplicatable as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.